Hello! So now we practice with Twitter, we practice with Facebook. Now let's go back to Google Plus. Now Google Plus is easier than the others, but have so many features. It's amazing the amount of features that Google Plus has. I like the features, for example, they have the video chat and you can have a group chatting with people. There are so many features. Now, Google Plus is growing very fast, so I really recommend you to start exploring Google Plus. In fact, sometimes you have a Gmail and suddenly you have Google Plus anyway, so you have it. You probably don't know you have it. So you need, in order to have the Google Plus, you need to create a Gmail account. With that, you will have automatically the Google Plus, and then you have to go there and fill out your profile, put your pictures, follow the actions word that I explained you before, and with that you can start, connecting with others. You can copy and paste things from LinkedIn, but I will see that don't put exact replica. They don't like that. Okay, try to use and tweak it according to the situation. Of course, you need a headshot as well. Now you have to think about a name for your Google Plus, the same thing you think a name for your Twitter and a name for your LinkedIn and Google. Think a name. Now your name has to be short. Don't put junior, senior, third, because have to be the way you talk with in your work. How they call you in your work. They call you Elsa Sofia Morote Jr. or Elsa Sofia Jr. or whatever. No, whatever they use, the way they call you, that's the way you use it. For example, they call me Sofia Morote, but I use Elsa Sofia Morote because all my research articles are with my names, and my name is actually not Sofia, it's Elsa Sofia. So I decided that that's my name. I keep it for all my social media, and people will recognize me like that. And actually, it's very helpful, I have to tell you, because when somebody call me Elsa, I don't know that person. If they call me Sofia, I know the person. I cannot even identify who knows me or who knows in person. Anyway, so you have to choose your name. Don't use middle names. It's possible, something that people can remember very quickly. The occupation have to be the same thing that you put in LinkedIn, the same occupation. I was thinking that if you have too many careers, interests, maybe you can create one Google Plus for one career, and Facebook for another, and LinkedIn for a third one. If you want, you have different personalities. I personally, for example, for Twitter, I'm doing as a happy. Everything about, I'm doing a study about happiness, so everything about happiness I use it in Twitter. Sometimes I'm sharing the others. Anyway, so it's your decision how you will work with that. You are called, in Google Plus, you are called a contributor, so you can actually post things in the same way that you post in Facebook. There is a section in Google Plus, very interesting, we have a section about bragging. I'll give you examples. I have bragging, how I am a mother with 5 kids or something like that. I will put personal things. Try to put bragging in something professional, because we're talking about how to leverage ourselves professionals. You need to think about your Google ID as well, because you will need a Google ID for that. There's always things that I have pointed out, because they have Google Stream, Spark, and Post. And all of these words, we have to discuss it. Once we are in the computer, I will show you where is all these things and how you can build your Google circles. Instead of community work or pages, we call it circles. And how you can also locate contacts in Google+. So it will be fun, and let's go and play.